In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate individual elements in Canva. Whether you're looking to add a touch of magic to your presentations or enhance your designs with dynamic flair, animating individual elements is an effective way to capture attention. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to transform your static projects into lively animations right inside Canva. First, you'll need to have your design open in Canva. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the specific element you'd like to animate. The choice of element could be anything from a piece of text, a shape, or an illustration that is part of your design. Identifying the right element is crucial as it sets the stage for the animation effects you want to explore. Next, with the element selected, direct your attention to the top toolbar. You'll find an Animate option nestled among the various choices available for editing elements. Go ahead and click on Animate. This will open up a whole menu of animation options specifically curated for you to add movement to your design elements. If you're not particularly familiar with Canva's interface, remember the Animate menu is a gateway to transforming your static designs into interactive ones. Now comes the exciting part, choosing the animation style that best fits your desired effect. As you browse through the available animations, you can preview each one to see how it flows and interacts with your chosen element. This step is all about experimentation and finding the animation that complements the overall aesthetic and message of your design. Whether you aim for something subtle or a bit more dramatic, Canva's diverse range gives you plenty of options to play with. Let's illustrate this by trying out the blur effect. Once you've clicked on Animate and the menu is open, look for blur among the options. Clicking on the blur effect applies it to your selected element, giving it a smooth transition effect that can add a layer of intrigue or focus to your design, depending on how you use it. The idea here is to subtly guide the viewer's eye or to create a moment of surprise in your presentation. After applying the animation, take a moment to preview your entire design with all the animations you've selected. This step ensures that everything flows seamlessly and effectively contributes to your design's purpose. Adjust elements and timings if necessary to synchronize the animations for a cohesive finished product. And that's how you animate individual elements in Canva. With these steps, you can bring a new level of interactivity and engagement to your designs. Happy animating, and see you in the next tutorial.